Hi, this is Cableless here. Today I'm going to show you how to connect G3x20 and G3x60 to your home Wi-Fi router. There are 3 different methods to achieve this, so you can try out either one of the methods to set up your printer. Before I start, remember to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out any new videos from me. Let's start! For Canon printer, there are a few methods to connect the printer to the Wi-Fi router. The first method will be using this cableless connect button. And the second method will be using WPS method, and the third one will be the manual connect methods. This new Canon G3x60 comes with a cableless connect button. This is the cableless connect button over here. Press and hold for 3 seconds. It will enable the cableless mode on the printer. So once it comes up with this text over here, go to your mobile phone. This is my mobile phone over here. Select the setting and then go to the Wi-Fi over here. You shall see this Canon G3x60 series coming up on the screen. So this is the printer Wi-Fi. This is a temporary printer Wi-Fi for this G3x60. Select it. Then go to Canon PRINT Inkjet Selphy apps. Open it. So it will come up with this. The following printer is available. Do you want to add this printer? Select yes. It will come to this page where the phone will search for the available Wi-Fi that is currently available at your home or your surrounding. So you can select the router that you are using so that the printer can connect to your home Wi-Fi. For my case, I will select this and then I will key in my router password. Okay, so I key in the router password, then I click OK. Then you will see this printer is now connecting to the Wi-Fi router that you select. This is the first method to connect the printer to router using the wireless connect button. Now it says the connection is completed. Then press OK. For example, I will use my wireless broadband dongle to show you how to connect the printer to the broadband or your Wi-Fi router using the WPS push button over here. Before we do the setup, always check your wireless router, see whether your wireless router comes with the WPS push button or not. To enable the push button mode on the printer, go to the setup mode of the printer. Then look for the Wi-Fi setup menu, press OK. Then look for the WPS push button mode by using the next button. So once you find the correct mode, press OK to enable it. So it will come up with the instruction asking you to press and hold the WPS button on the wireless router so that the printer and the router will pair together. Go to your wireless router, or for my case, I am using my wireless broadband. So press and hold the WPS button to enable the WPS mode. For different types of router, the way to enable WPS is different. For my case, I need to press and hold the WPS for a few seconds. then I will see the WPS mode is enabled. The WPS LED is blinking. So for certain router, you just need to press one time, then you will see the WPS mode enabled. Once you enable the WPS mode on your router, come back to the printer here and press OK. So now the printer will pair with the router using WPS mode. By using this WPS push button, you don't need to key in any Wi-Fi password or anything on the printer or on the router. Using the WPS mode is quite simple. You just need to pair the two devices together. Now you see my WPS LED on the wireless broadband is stopped blinking. So this tells me that my router is already paired together with the printer itself. You will see the message coming up over here. It mentioned that the printer is already connected to the Wi-Fi router by using WPS push button. Just press OK. Now you can print and also scan with the printer wirelessly. In case if your wireless router does not come with the WPS push button, you can still connect the printer to the router using the manual connection, which means you can key in your Wi-Fi password into the printer and connect it to the router. Here I will show you how to do that. Go to the setup mode. Then you will see the first one, the Wi-Fi setup. So click OK. And then go to the right, you will find this manual connect. Select OK again. Then it will look for the wireless router that is available surrounding. So for my wireless router over here, so this is my SSID, my Wi-Fi name, and then this is my password. So the first one will be my router. I just select OK. If let's say the router is not appear in the first list, you can press right to find the router, then select it using the OK button. So this is my router over here. Press OK. Then here it will ask me to key in the password. So there is some instruction over here. If you want to change the alphabet, this is currently in small letter mode. If let's say you want to change it to capital letter, you need to press the setup button to change from small letter to capital letter, and then from capital letter to numbers, and also from numbers to the symbols. So you can use the setup button to change from small letter to caps to numbers and to the symbols. So my Wi-Fi password is all in numbers, so I press the setup button to change from small letter to capital letter. One more time again, it will change to the numbers. So if let's say here I press one more time, it will go to the symbols. One more time, go back to small letter, capital letter, and numbers. Okay, so now I want to key in my numbers over here. My Wi-Fi password is all in numbers. So you use the left and right keys to select the numbers that you want or the alphabets that you want. Then you press OK to insert it to the screen. So I pick another one, OK again. And then I look for another numbers, OK again. So you repeat the same process until you finish keying in all the numbers or your alphabets into the printer. So 0, 8, and then 1, and then 0. Okay, so after you key in all the password, then press and hold the OK button to enable the setting. Now it will ask you whether you want to apply the connections or not. Select yes and OK. Now it will start connect to the wireless router. For my case here, it connects to my wireless broadband. So now it is connected. Press OK. This is how you connect the printer to the wireless router. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please remember to click the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.